This video is on finding the equation of a line. Now I need to write the equation of this line below in the form y equals mx plus c. Now I know the m is the gradient and the c is the y-intercept. Now there's a few things I can see from this graph straight away. I can see that the c is going to be 8 because that's the y-intercept, and I can also see that it has a negative gradient, and that's what I need to find now. So gradient, so m is going to be equal to difference in y over difference in x. Now the difference in y, it's going down by 8, I can see that. So when it goes down by 8, it's gone forward 4. So difference in y is minus 8. So I have minus 8 over 4, and that gives me minus 2. So the gradient is minus 2. Now also, I could have found the gradient by using the coordinates of these points. So let's say this point is going to be 0, 8, and this point here is 4, 0. Now I can find the gradient using the method y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now let's say that this is my y2 and x2, and this is my y1 and x1. So y2 is 0 and y1 is 8, so 0 take away 8, and I have x2 is 4 and x1 is 0, so 4 minus 0. This gives me minus 8 over 4, and that's equal to minus 2. So my gradient is minus 2. My y-intercept, I can see that from the graph, that's going to be 8. So I can write my equation now. So my equation is going to be y equals, so gradient is minus 2, so minus 2x, and the y-intercept is 8, so plus 8. And this is in the form y equals mx plus c, so it's fine. Now this next question, I need to write the equation of the line that has gradient 2 and it passes through the point 5, 7. So here I know my m is going to be 2, but I don't know my c. Now the c is the y-intercept, so I would have needed x to be 0, and then I could know the c there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by writing y equals mx plus c and fill in what I know. So y equals m is 2x plus c. Now I'm told that the line passes through the point 5, 7. So when x is 5, y is 7 for this equation. So let's set that as x equals 5 and y equals 7. So I'm going to say y is equal to 7, and then the x is equal to 5 plus c. So now I can actually solve this equation and find what c is. So let's do that. So I have 7 is equal to 10 plus c. Now if I take away 10 on both sides, I'm going to have minus 3 is equal to c. So I know now that my y-intercept is going to be c. So I can write my equation. So my equation is going to be y equals, gradient is 2, so 2x, and my c is minus 3, minus 3. So this is my equation for this graph. So the equation of the line that has gradient 2 and passes through the point 5, 7 has this equation. Now I'd like you to have a go at these questions. So you have a straight line has equation 3x plus 2y and some questions relating to that, and work out the equation of the straight line that passes through these points in the form y equals mx plus c. So answer those questions and bring that to the lesson.